Welcome to another Deep Learning Nerds video. One key component of the Microsoft Fabric architecture is the workspace. In this video, we will explain step by step how to create a workspace in Fabric. First, sign into Microsoft Fabric. The Fabric portal will be opened. Next, switch to the data engineering experience. To do this, click on the Microsoft Fabric icon on the bottom left and select Data Engineering. Here you can see the data engineering experience. Now, let's create a workspace. To do this, select the Workspaces tab in the left sidebar and click on the New Workspace button. Enter a name for the workspace and optionally a description. In our case, we choose the workspace name DL_Nerds_Workspace. Next, click on the Apply button to create the workspace. After the creation, the workspace will be opened. Congratulations! Now you are one step closer to become a Fabric expert. You have learned how to create a workspace. Try it yourself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.